this is a burping challenge. So you have two Pepsi things, one for me, one for Joey. Now this is
just a side camera. We're both playing on the boat.
This is just a little shout out to who channels because we're filming this on both my channel and Joey's channel. So
you can see it on both.
Yeah, just for a shout out, if you're watching this on Joey's channel, this is a shout out for my channel.
Check out both of our videos.
And if this is a shout out, and if you're watching it through mine, shout out for Joey's. Well, let's get on to the burping. What did you say?
I said shout for her.
Ah, okay, well, let's get the Pepsi.
And
This is the burping competition. Leave a comment if you like for who you want to go for. My name's Gretchen. His name is Joey. This is Pepsi.
I'm having cherry.
I'm having regular.
It's getting so fat. I can't barely breathe.
Me neither.
Jeez.
Joey, give me one round.
And don't try this at home because you won't be able to breathe.
No, do try this at home. It's okay, because you can breathe.
Not really good though.
That was Gretchen's, aka me.
Everybody knows. I'm pretty sure they heard you.
Yeah.
I'm still drinking.
It's almost too late. I definitely won.
Yeah, definitely. I'm still going. Oh yeah.